아니 다른 인기는 쉬죠지가 다른 얘가 침묵해서 하시시더라. So hi guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I've been so inactive for like a few months or something, but today is a really important day, and it marks the anniversary of 21st, like almost 21 years of Panchen Lama's disappearance from Tibet. So for this, the SFT, an organization called Student for Free Tibet, has organized some stuff, and we are here in Delhi University North Campus. So yeah, we are here to to spread awareness regarding the disappearance of Panchen Lama. So I hope this video will be informative and knowledgeable for you guys. So stay tuned.
이거는 제발 나가네 근데 제발 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 힘들어 들어갔어 다시야 팸플릿 좀 reading materials there no reading 팸플릿 차가차가 SFT 여기도 가 팸플릿 진짜 더 SFT 팸플릿 네네. 야 대신 그러시다. 야마 제일 새로 말다. 아니 소설을 지워구로 봐이나. 얘 야마 씨. 어제 아니 갑도 나오라. 안나 상관도 맞다 놓아줘. 막 치면다. We love to share students, especially Delhi University. Spiritual leader, 6 years old. He has been abducted on 1995. So till now, apart from Chinese government, no one has known.
You are all students of Delhi also?
Yes, yeah, we are all the students of Delhi, Tibetan students of Delhi University.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So tell me something about what's happening.
So today, today May 17 mark around 27th year of abductions from Chinese security for a very innocent Tibetan young monk, Panchen Lama, Gendun Choekyi Nyima, around 6 years. He has been abducted, illegally kidnapped, along with his parents from a very remote area from Tibet. Since then, we haven't heard about them. So if we count it according to the ages, so he will be around 33 right now. So we will continue to urge until and unless we heard about him, we could able to see him physically. We wanted Chinese government to realize that we Tibetan students are still not giving up about all those struggles and freedoms and all those activities and everything. So we will continue to urge you, your Communist Party, to please bring out our, not only Panchen Lama, all the political prisoners out there. So we urge you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. 사세, 슈슈슈 잘 뛰어와서 잘 보자.
나
포스트 시마.
수수기다 로빠다 지난 남걸다 수수기 저거 정말 가지 위시.
인디방 팀 됐어. 너.
The second wall of democracy. And everyone's sticking out the poster.
Shish be.
Panchen Lama. Panchen Lama.
Free Panchen Lama.
Free Panchen Lama.
Free Panchen Lama.
political prisoner, and he was arrested by Chinese government when he was only 6. And now he is 33, but he is still missing. We don't know how condition he is.
Hello, Dalai. I'm nurturing SFT Delhi chapter president right now. SFT is Students for Free Tibet, one of the NGO out there in the Tibetan society. We stand, support and work for the Tibetan struggles for freedoms and independence. Our chapter has been networking a combination of Delhi University students and college students out there and also activists out there. We have been promoting, educating and helping out there for a lot of students out there. So why we are here today? May 17 marks a 27th years of abduction from Communist Party of China out there who have been abducted. A very innocent Tibetan spiritual leader, 6 years old Tibetan children monk out there who has been abducted at the night along with his parents, and since then we haven't heard from them. So we are here to urge Communist Party of China to please let not only Panchen Lama, our spiritual leaders out there, but all the political prisoners out there, to urge them to let them know that we are against all those things. We are, and China has been lying since out there. So we are here to protest them. So thank you so much.
We're back in MT and we completed everything. We went like for a march till Vishwavidyalaya metro station to spread awareness for the students who are attending Delhi University, because their main stop is the Vishwavidyalaya. They have to like travel from Vishwavidyalaya. So now this is how we end our day. And hope you guys all well and take care. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.